I don't have to settle karma with them. God will settle that karma. वो जो भी मेरे साथ बुरा कर रहे हैं, you're doing bad to me, I'll do worse to you. Then we will keep on doing that and keep coming back to this earth, taking more and more births and fighting with each other. कभी वो husband बन जाएगा, मैं wife, कभी वो father बन जाएगा, मैं daughter, कभी वो मेरा boss बन जाएगा और मैं उसका employee. Different roles में हम आते रहेंगे, लड़ते रहेंगे. Any other question? Yes, beta.
Yes, Salma. First thing is, I'm unable to give that genuine person. I was not part of this Hyderabad group. I'm from Bhubaneswar.
Yes, I know that, yes.
So it's a very big blessing for me. I feel that I'm able to see you in person. And I don't know why guests are coming. So my question is, you were talking about Sai consciousness, to see Sai in everybody and all. So normally there would be like we are meeting a lot of different people in our day-to-day lives. So suppose in office, I'm seeing some people deliberately doing bad things, like not doing correct things, and in personal life also, if I'm seeing someone like they are trying to do bad things to the weaker people, then at times we as elder we try to guard them and all. And a lot of people doing so many wrong things to animals also. We are seeing things like every day we are watching them. So how we can practice seeing Sai in everyone when we are seeing them they are not doing that things. So how we can practice?
Okay. Thank you. Sairam beta, first of all, don't cry. And my next trip is to Orissa, so be happy. I'm coming to you, okay? So no more tears. Okay. Coming to your question. Love, just love, if we talk about it, I love one person, the other person is not good, I can't love them. The other person is causing me damage or harm, I can't love them. Because I'm seeing they're being bad to me, they're being bad to others. They are not nice people in my judgment. So I'm withdrawing, I can't love them. But we are talking unconditional love. That's a different concept altogether. Unconditional में जो first word है unconditional, condition है ही नहीं उसमें, there is no condition. Whether you're good, you're bad, you're evil, I will still love you. Now comes the second part of it. Beta, who is good, who is bad, I have understood now in life is not something I can decide. I am not qualified to decide that. मेरी नज़र से जो बुरा है, in my eye somebody looks very bad. You ask another person who loves that person, in their eye he will be very good. तो वो तो मेरी नज़र हुई ना. That is my lens through which I am looking. The person looks very wrong to me, looks very right to the other person. So then the person is not right or wrong. It is my judgment of the person which is right or wrong. In my eyes, the person is right or wrong. So if I understand that the person is not bad, you ask his mother, she will say he's my best child. You ask his wife or his children, best father. But you look at that colleague and say, hey, what is he doing? Causing me so much damage, so negative, so harmful. In a relationship, forget about office, husband, wife. There are marriages where one partner is very bad to the other one, constantly causing harm, hurt, damage, physical, mental, emotional, in every which way. And then I say love that person. It sounds ridiculous, right? How can you love that person? But that is where we all have to reach finally. The space of unconditional love, where it doesn't matter what the other person does. And it's a very good place to be in, beta, because what happens is, I don't get affected by anything after that. You're good to me, I still love you. You're bad to me, I still love you. You're horrible to me, I still love you. So I am in a very good space. अभी क्या होता है, जब आपको कोई बहुत तंग करता है, you go into a wrong, bad space, you get into a low energy space. But when you start loving everyone, when you think that this is not the person who is bad, it is his situation. कोई भी इंसान बुरा नहीं होता. There is always a circumstance that makes a person do what they're doing. It could be his upbringing, it could be his childhood, whatever he's seen in his family, learned, gone through some traumas, which makes people like that. So a person is never bad. It is the situations which make a person like that. So when I look at somebody who's doing, when you show me somebody, दीदी देखो ये क्या कर रहा है, सबको परेशान किया हुआ है इन्होंने, I still look at that person and think वो खुद अंदर से कितना परेशान होगा जो सबको परेशान कर रहा है. You've heard in English, no? Hurt people hurt people. Those who are hurt inside are the ones who cause hurt outside. So what should I feel for such a person? Anger? No. I should feel love. I should feel compassion, empathy, care, feel sorry that they're in this condition and send them more and more love in return. So when you can forgive such a person, you will heal, they will also heal. When you can send out unconditional love to such a person, they will heal, you will heal. But if you send out hateful energy to that person, you will continue receiving the hate energy back. What we give is what we receive. So unconditional love, I told you, is beautiful because उसको देने से वापस प्यार ही मिल सकता है. आपको कोई पत्थर मार रहा है और आप उसको प्यार करते जा रहे हो, फाइनली कहेगा छोड़ो इसको, पत्थर मत मारो, इसको फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. Let me not stop hitting this person. So that's how we have to be. And I think being sign conscious, our first message is where we go back again. When you're aware that that light, that consciousness, that God is inside that person as well, you can't hate them. You just feel it's a bad time for them. This is there. And remember one more thing. I don't have to settle karma with them. God will settle that karma. वो जो भी मेरे साथ बुरा कर रहे हैं, you're doing bad to me, I'll do worse to you. Then we will keep on doing that and keep coming back to this earth, taking more and more births and fighting with each other. कभी वो husband बन जाएगा, मैं wife, कभी वो father बन जाएगा, मैं daughter, कभी वो मेरा boss बन जाएगा और मैं उसका employee. Different roles में हम आते रहेंगे, लड़ते रहेंगे. पर अगर इस जन्म में हमने forgive कर दिया, let me forgive, forget, send love, I will heal that and be free and liberated so I can fly in that sky which is waiting for me and not come back to the cage again and again. Okay?
We forgive them and we forgive them and we keep away from them, is it good?
People who are causing you, I should say people who take away your peace. You know I can't handle this person, they take away my peace. Best is to withdraw from them. But in your prayers, continue to not forgive them. Seek forgiveness first. Remember one thing, the person who is harming you the most in this life, damaging you completely, okay? You feel I need to forgive him because he is causing me harm. No, no, no. Why is he causing you harm? Because you have at some place sometime caused him harm. तो पहले तो sorry बोलो, मैंने कहाँ क्या किया था जिसकी वजह से आप मेरे पीछे पड़े हो. What have I done in which life I don't know, because of which you are coming at me in this way. So I'm sorry. Please forgive me. From your heart say it. I'm really sorry whatever I did, wherever I did it. I send you all unconditional love from my heart, Baba-ful love from my heart. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. And for the damage and pain you have caused me in this life, I send you out more love and more forgiveness. Let's settle it and finish it now. Let's not carry it forward. And you're healers, you know how to cut energy? You can actually cut the cord with them at that time and say, cut that cord which is binding us and bringing us back and making us go through this difficult karma. Cut the cord with them. Yeah. Forgiveness is difficult initially, but then you start enjoying it because it brings you peace more than anything else. Yeah.